All right, it is time to do CSS battle. Let's start our stopwatch and get started. We have some vets. Yeah, some vets. Background is gray color. Border inline double, not quite white. I don't know what it is. 50 pixels. We're seeing both the HTML and the margin, which makes things confusing. So we're gonna isolate it to just the HTML for a minute. We'll change that. Margin, 20 and 50. Loading extension, checking the diff. Margin is not enough on top 25 and 40. 40's maybe right, but the margin's not thick enough. 60. That looks right. Now on the body, we're going to rotate 90 degrees and we're going to let those things inherit. So we have that, which means we need a different margin. Margin 0, 20. Wrong way. Okay, so that's going to be something like 10, and that's going to be 20, 30, 25. I don't know, it looks close, not right. 0, 0. That looks right. That is right. Is there a way? Can we save that? No. Hmm. Let's check some colors. That says it's 6 away. That's usually too far. Doesn't look good. That's 8 away. That's probably too far. Also, 75%. Doesn't look good. Also, not good. Also, we can, of course, minify unit replace if there are any replaceable units. 60 pixels is not, but maybe we can get away with 63Q. 4Q. 64Q looks okay. Yeah, that's all right. Minify, submit, prettify. Can this be shortened? Probably. Do I know how to shorten? That's a different problem. Let's try something dumb. Let's call this border block. Okay, now let's make this 0. Okay, now I see what's happening. Okay, 20, 40. Let's get rid of this margin for a moment. Actually, let's not. Let's make it 0. All right. Let's make this 20. All right, let's change some things so I can see what I'm doing. I'm going to speed. All right. We're going to copy this down here, and this one's going to be the right one. Okay, that's what I thought. Why is it? Um, yeah, if I do that, the second one's going to have a height. It's going to make it longer. That's no fun. I don't know. I don't know. There's, uh, can I make these a percentage? Maybe. Uh, 6, 5. Nope. 6 is closer. 5.5. 6.5. Nope. And that won't help. Can I? Here's a cheat, maybe. 40 in. It's 5ch. And down here, font 0. Shorter than the margin. I don't know. Minify, submit. That's gonna be it for today. 96 is what I got. Let me try one. No, that was not gonna work. Well, maybe it will. Let's try this. Body VG color equal. And let's try this. Close. And then we don't need the body tag. We shouldn't need that background tag. That's 99. Because we say the word body. But can we get rid of that character and that character? Still 97. But it does match. We can't put everything in one selector, unfortunately. We can get rid of a bunch of characters here and do that. And that means we could put all that. Ah, yeah, but we still have to repeat the word style. It's not going to solve any problems. Okay, back to where we were. 96 is what I got today. Thanks for watching. See you next time.